Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 15th of February. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court Collegium recommended transfer of 3 High Court judges. PM Modi held bilateral meetings with UAE counterpart, Madagascar president. Farmers flew kites to tackle drones carrying tear gas shells. Leopards spotted near Surajkund Fair in Faridabad. Rescue team trying to catch it. World today needs clean, transparent, tech-savvy governments. PM Modi in United Arab Emirates. Supreme Court Collegium recommended transfer of 3 High Court judges. Charges against Paytm payments bank to be probed by Enforcement Directorate. Sonia Gandhi filed her nomination for Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan. And now, international news. Extremely difficult. Ukraine's new army chief on frontline situation. Palestine president urged Hamas to quickly complete prisoner deal, a report said. PM Modi held bilateral meetings with UAE counterpart, Madagascar president. And media giant Paramount Global, which owns CBS News, to cut 800 jobs. Families of hostages still captive in Gaza approach World Court against Hamas. Fears of pirates returning to Somalian seas after first hijack in 6 years. Now, some sports news. India stunned China 3-2 in Badminton Asia Championships with PV Sindhu making winning return. Mohammad Nabi became number one all rounder in one day international ICC rankings. Stocks praised Indian government BCCI on Rehan Ahmed's visa issue. England's James Anderson 5 wickets away from an astonishing milestone. Now, business related news. Share market in red as US inflation raised rate cut worries. Services trade surplus hit record $44.9 billion in December quarter. PM Modi called for reform of multilateral institutions at World Government Summit. NBFC MFIs post 80% growth in net profit at rupees 1105 crore for quarter 3 financial year 24. Moody's upgraded credit ratings of 4 Adani Group companies. Now, science related news. Supermassive black hole in Milky Way spinning rapidly, taking shape of rugby balls, NASA said. Cannabis kills skin cancer cells, a study found. On 14th Feb, the moon and Jupiter went on a close encounter in the night sky. And that's all in news. Thank you.